Go.
Goodness, it sounded like you just got electrocuted. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Oh, yeah?
What matter?
Ah, that one wasn't too bad. That one in between my boobs was horrible!
I see one from here.
I thought I was going to see some tattoo ink with that one. Okay. Is there any more in there? On your side, did you get
At least you don't gotta shave there anymore.
Oh, I found another one.
She didn't get my joke. She didn't get my joke.
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did? Ow! Ow!
Okay,
You're done?
I think so. Stick one on my belly. Okay.